Guessing the characters with Dom.
Okay.
Alright, first character.
Emo Girl.
What? Next one.
Cyclops.
Is it because he has one eye?
Yeah.
Alright, another one.
Chihuahua.
That's not right. Last one.
Oh, I know this. Very problems.
The characters with Dom Part 2.
Oh.
Your first one.
Juggernaut.
Huh? This one's so easy.
I know, it's Domingos.
What? Come on now, this is getting ridiculous.
Cheese.
Are you? Dawn, if you don't get this, I'm done. Dawn, it's not hard.
I don't know.
What are you talking? The characters with Dawn Part 3.
Oh, boy.
This is your first character.
Stop.
Close enough. Here's your second one. Oh, don't say it. Do not say it. Here's your next one. That's right. I swear, if you do not get him, you know him, Donald. The characters with Dawn Part 4. Number 1.
I am the tiger.
That's a lion. Next one.
Bacon.
That's horrible. Second to last one.
Joe.
Absolutely not. Okay, last one.
Bobby Joe.
Actually, it's Candace.
Candace. Candace Joe.
The characters with Dawn Part 5. This first one is so easy.
Ooh, rocket bag.
Wrong shot.
Castaways.
Alright, second one.
Rabbit. Globe.
What the f? God, if you don't get this, I'm done with you.
It's a bag now.
Yeah?
Just like you.
Donald, this is your girlfriend. What's her name?
Bitch.
The characters with Dawn Part 6.
Yeah.
This is your first one.
Oh, I know this. It's the word.
I can't deal with this today. Here's the second one.
It's a superhero. Superman.
Oh my. This one's so easy. You better get this one right.
It's so easy.
Who is this? Who is this?
It's my wife.
Whoa! The characters with Dawn Part 7.
I'll try.
Numero uno.
Oh my God, it's SpongeBob.
Second one.
Ice cream.
His hair is on. This is your third one.
It's my brother.
You are done. This is the last one, and it's super duper really easy.
My kids.
I'm done with you. Characters with Dawn Part 8.
Here we go.
This is the first one of the day.
So this is the my daughter kids.
Into the thick of it. Into the thick of it.
Second one.
She's from SpongeBob, so Mr. Krabs.
Third.
Kitty.
He's part of your family. You know him.
He's so red.
Characters with Dawn Part 9.
We do it again.
Here's your first one.
Mamma Mia.
Oh! Second one.
Fishy.
Alright, this is your third one. He's a bitch! Last one, big hint, it's the letter.
Pretzel.
I mean, he did get knocked out. The characters with Dawn Part 10.
Oh,
Your first one is 2 characters.
Mario and Luigi.
Oh, this is gonna be a long day. Oh, second one.
Yeah.
Yippee-ki-yay! Third one.
So this is Shrek.
Oh, you definitely know her. You definitely know her.
Maggie.
I am so done with you. The characters with Dawn Part 11.
I'll do it this time.
Your first one is 2 characters.
So I'm going
one.
Tattoo.
You gotta be kidding. Third one.
Acapella.
That's what he said. Last one.
Tupac.
The characters with Dawn Part 12. Here's your first one.
Carrot.
That's what he's eating. Second one.
Good.
What? Third one.
Just watching.
I know you're gonna get this one wrong, but here you go.
Donald Duck.
Oh,